Welcome back to Natural Health Secrets, where we explore natural ways to heal and support your body. If you're struggling with kidney health, chances are some of your daily habits are unknowingly making things worse, especially the drinks you consume. Whether it's what you're sipping in the morning or enjoying throughout the day, certain beverages can put added strain on your kidneys and even prevent them from healing properly. In today's video, we'll cover the top 10 drinks you should avoid if you want to support your kidney health and give your body the best chance to recover. From sugary sodas to certain types of coffee, you'll be surprised at how common these drinks are and how they might be affecting your kidneys. Stick around until the end to learn what to swap them with for healthier alternatives. Before we dive in, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our natural health tips here on Natural Health Secrets. Let's get started. Understanding kidney health. Why what you drink matters. Your kidneys are powerful organs responsible for filtering out waste and toxins from your blood, balancing your body's fluid levels, and maintaining healthy electrolyte levels like potassium and sodium. But when your kidneys are overworked, whether due to dehydration, poor diet, or certain medical conditions, their ability to function properly declines. Dr. Joseph Vassilotti, Chief Medical Officer at the National Kidney Foundation, emphasizes, many people don't realize that what they drink can either support or harm their kidneys. Beverages high in sugar, sodium, or certain chemicals can lead to kidney damage over time. With this in mind, let's look at the 10 drinks that may be doing more harm than good for your kidneys and why you should avoid them. 1. Soda, regular and diet. One of the worst offenders for kidney health is soda, whether it's regular or diet. Regular sodas are packed with sugar, which can lead to diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, all risk factors for kidney disease. On the other hand, diet sodas contain artificial sweeteners, which can still harm the kidneys over time. A study published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that people who consumed 2 or more sodas per day had a significantly higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease, CKD, compared to those who didn't. What to drink instead? Swap sodas for infused water with fruits like lemon or cucumber to add flavor without the harmful sugars and chemicals. 2. Energy drinks. Energy drinks are loaded with caffeine, sugar, and a variety of artificial ingredients. These drinks put a heavy burden on your kidneys by increasing blood pressure and heart rate, which can reduce kidney function over time. Caffeine acts as a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which can lead to dehydration, a major contributor to kidney problems. According to research from the Mayo Clinic, frequent consumption of energy drinks can exacerbate kidney stress, especially in those with pre-existing conditions like high blood pressure. What to drink instead? Choose herbal teas or coconut water for a natural energy boost without the negative effects on your kidneys. 3. Alcohol. Alcohol, particularly when consumed in large quantities, can have serious effects on your kidneys. It leads to dehydration by increasing urine production, which forces your kidneys to work overtime to maintain fluid balance. Over time, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to high blood pressure, a leading cause of kidney disease. A study in nephrology dialysis transplantation showed that heavy drinking is linked to an increased risk of kidney damage and kidney failure, particularly in those with pre-existing health conditions. What to drink instead? Stick to moderation if you drink alcohol, and consider alternatives like sparkling water with a splash of fruit juice for a festive yet kidney-friendly drink. 4. Coffee, high caffeine varieties. While moderate coffee consumption may not be harmful, drinking large amounts of high caffeine coffee can contribute to kidney strain. Caffeine acts as a stimulant and a diuretic, which can lead to dehydration if you're not careful about balancing it with water intake. Additionally, many popular coffee beverages are packed with sugar and syrups, which add to the problem. Dr. Miguel Palomares, a kidney researcher, explains, overconsumption of caffeine can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, which may impair their ability to filter toxins effectively. What to drink instead? Try switching to decaffeinated coffee or herbal teas to reduce your caffeine intake and protect your kidneys. 5. Sweetened juices. While fruit juices may seem like a healthy option, store-bought juices often contain added sugars that can spike your blood sugar levels. This places additional stress on the kidneys, especially for those with diabetes or prediabetes. High sugar intake is directly linked to kidney damage because it promotes insulin resistance, which can lead to kidney complications. A study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that high fructose beverages, like many commercially produced fruit juices, can accelerate kidney disease in individuals with pre-existing conditions. What to drink instead? Opt for freshly squeezed juices with no added sugar, or better yet, eat whole fruits to get the fiber along with the vitamins. 6. Sports drinks. Sports drinks are often marketed as a healthy way to rehydrate, but they're typically loaded with sodium, sugar, and artificial ingredients. While these drinks might be useful for high-performance athletes, most people don't need the high levels of electrolytes and sugar they contain. Excess sodium can raise blood pressure and overwork the kidneys, leading to long-term damage. Research published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition points out that the high sodium content in sports drinks can exacerbate kidney strain, particularly in individuals already at risk for high blood pressure or kidney issues. What to drink instead? Rehydrate with plain water or add a pinch of sea salt and lemon to create your own low-sodium, kidney-friendly electrolyte drink. 7. Flavored water with artificial sweeteners. Flavored waters might seem like a healthy alternative to sugary drinks, but many contain artificial sweeteners like aspartame or sucralose. These sweeteners have been linked to kidney damage in some studies, as they can increase the kidney's workload by forcing them to process unnatural chemicals. A study in toxicology and environmental health found that long-term consumption of artificial sweeteners may be associated with a decline in kidney function. What to drink instead? Stick to natural infused water with fresh fruits, herbs, or cucumber slices to add flavor without the harmful additives. 8. Carbonated water with sodium. Some types of carbonated water, particularly those marketed as club soda or mineral water, can contain added sodium. While carbonation itself isn't harmful, the excess sodium can increase blood pressure and strain your kidneys, making it harder for them to function properly. Dr. Melanie Honig, a nephrologist, notes, high sodium intake is one of the leading contributors to high blood pressure, which in turn is one of the most common causes of kidney damage. What to drink instead? Choose plain sparkling water with no added sodium or flavor. Your water with fresh herbs like mint or basil. 9. Milkshakes. Milkshakes may be a delicious treat, but they're loaded with sugar, saturated fats, and calories, all of which can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and ultimately kidney stress. High-fat, high-sugar diets can accelerate the development of diabetes and obesity, both of which are major risk factors for kidney disease. A study in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that diets high in sugar and unhealthy fats were linked to an increased risk of kidney dysfunction, particularly in people predisposed to metabolic syndrome. What to drink instead? Replace milkshakes with a smoothie made from unsweetened almond milk and fresh fruits for a healthier, kidney-friendly option. 10th, excessive herbal teas with certain ingredients. While many herbal teas are great for kidney health, it's important to be cautious with certain types. Teas that contain licorice root or senna can cause problems if consumed in large amounts. Licorice root can raise blood pressure, which puts added strain on the kidneys, while senna can act as a strong laxative, leading to dehydration. According to the National Institutes of Health, (NIH), prolonged use of these ingredients can disrupt electrolyte balance, which may negatively affect kidney function. What to drink instead? Stick to kidney-friendly herbal teas like nettle leaf, parsley, or dandelion root, which help support kidney function and promote detoxification. How to make kidney-friendly drink choices. Now that we've covered the drinks you should avoid, you might be wondering how to make better choices for your kidney health. Here are a few general tips. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of plain water is essential for kidney function. It helps flush out toxins and keeps your kidneys working smoothly. Limit sugar and sodium. Be mindful of beverages that contain high amounts of sugar and sodium, as both can overwork your kidneys and lead to long-term damage. Choose natural drinks. Opt for natural drinks like infused water, herbal teas, and fresh juices that provide hydration without harmful additives. Thank you for watching this episode of Natural Health Secrets. If you're struggling with kidney health, making simple changes to what you drink can have a big impact on your overall well-being. By avoiding these harmful beverages and choosing healthier alternatives, you'll give your kidneys the best chance to heal and thrive. Remember, your body is always communicating with you. Pay attention to the signals it's giving and support it with the right nutrition and hydration. Don't forget to subscribe to Natural Health Secrets for more tips on natural remedies and health advice. Let us know in the comments what changes you're making to support your kidney health and share your experiences with us.